Hello, my friends. How are you doing? Today is my birthday, and I want to say thank you for everybody who's watching me. It's a lot of fun to create these videos for you, and of course, also to hang out with you every Sunday to do a live stream. So, we're going to celebrate a bit more this Sunday. If you want to give me a gift, the best thing you can do is to subscribe to my channel. Maybe also hit the bell button so you get notified about my new videos. But also, I put a link below if you want to send me a donation. You can do that too. Really supports me in keeping this channel running. Also, here are some of my favorite videos that you could watch today. So here's a video about the best tricks about automatic 1111, how to get started, how to get better results faster. Then the video from yesterday, you probably have seen it. I really love the results. There is another video about the ultimate upscaler. You want to try that out. This is also very, very nice. And if you're a ComfUI user, you might want to check out these kind of latent tricks here. I have the workflow builds also linked below that video. There you have some pretty cool stuff to check out for today. And I'm going to be off for today and doing some celebrating. Thank you very much for being an amazing community, and see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye. Oh, you're still here. So this is the end screen. There's other stuff you can watch like this or that. It's really cool. And yeah, I hope I see you soon. Leave a like if you haven't yet. And well, yeah,